Mineral water is deep in the mountains. How is mineral water made? Acid rain falls from the sky. Acid rain has few minerals, but it becomes mineral water because of mineral stones in the mountains. Mineral Maker was born with inspiration from mineral water deep in the mountains. Mineral Maker turns mineral-free acidic water into magnesium alkaline mineral water. Oxidative stress occurs due to dehydration, high blood sugar, free radicals, etc. But magnesium alkaline mineral water relieves oxidative stress. Mineral Maker enhances magnesium, which supports the body's energy activity and makes the water taste better. And it turns yellow acidic water into blue alkaline mineral water. Also, Mineral Maker makes the water cluster smaller so your throat feels smooth and comfortable for hydration. The era of making and drinking mineral water has begun with Mineral Maker. Use Mineral Maker to relieve your oxidative stress. Mineral Maker is the beginning of good water life.